Finish reading your book.
A ghost inside, so, 'cause there's a baby sheep and a baby pig and a squirrel and animals and bears and squirrels.
Read the book, Emma.
I'm showing the picture to the camera. To the book. 1, 2, do it. I don't have time.
Read the story.
Okay.
Are you gonna read it?
Yes. Do you wanna change the pages or not?
No, you can't.
Okay. I don't want to, Grandma and Papa. I just want to stay in the swing. I said, I don't have time.